1. Hook copying tutorials won't make you a cloud engineer. It's like memorizing a recipe without knowing how to cook. Stick around, and I'll show you why real understanding matters and how to build your skills effectively. It creates a fragile foundation. When something goes wrong, and it will, those copied commands won't help you troubleshoot. What really matters is grasping the concepts behind the code. It's about knowing why you're doing what you're doing. Without this, you'll struggle to adapt or solve real problems. 3. The simple explanation. Let's break this down simply. Cloud engineering involves understanding architectures, know how services interact. Troubleshooting skills, be able to diagnose issues quickly. Automation, learn to streamline processes using scripts or tools. When you copy a tutorial, you only learn the surface. You miss the why behind each command or service. Understanding the fundamentals allows you to innovate and adapt, which is crucial in a fast-paced field like cloud engineering. 4. Real-world example. Let's consider a startup that launched a new application on AWS. They followed a tutorial to set up their infrastructure using CloudFormation. The tutorial worked perfectly, and they thought they were good to go. But just 2 weeks later, they faced a sudden spike in traffic, 5,000 requests per minute instead of the anticipated 500. Their setup couldn't handle it. Because they copied the tutorial, they didn't understand the auto-scaling policies. Their instance types were not optimized for the load, leading to crashes. The startup lost customers and faced downtime, costing them an estimated $10,000 in lost revenue and reputation. Had they understood the principles behind auto-scaling, they could have set up thresholds to trigger scaling earlier, ensuring their application remained responsive. 5. What to do instead. Now, let's discuss a practical framework you can use to build your skills effectively. Step 1. Start with the basics: cloud services, networking, and security. Websites like AWS Educate or Google Cloud Training offer foundational courses. Step 2. Build a simple project. Deploy a static website or set up a simple API. Write down what you did and why. Step 3. Experiment. Adjust instance types, modify security groups, and test different services. Use logging and monitoring tools to see how your changes impact performance. Step 4. Ask questions. Engage in platforms like Stack Overflow or Reddit. Don't hesitate to ask why something works a certain way. Step 5. Dive deeper. Learn about C/CD, microservices, and Kubernetes. Aim for certifications like AWS Certified Solutions Architect or Google Cloud Architect. Step 6. Build and share your projects and contribute to open source. Write blogs or make videos explaining your projects. 6. Common mistakes. Here are 5 common mistakes beginners make, along with how to avoid them. Mistake 1. Over-reliance on tutorials. Fix. Use tutorials as guides, not crutches. Always ask why each step is necessary. Mistake 2. Ignoring documentation. Fix. Read official documentation. It helps you understand the tools you're using and their best practices. Mistake 3. Skipping the basics. Fix. Don't rush into advanced topics. Ensure you have a solid grasp of foundational concepts first. Mistake 4. Not testing changes. Fix. Always test your configurations in a safe environment before applying them to production. Mistake 5. Fear of failure. Fix. Embrace mistakes. Every error is an opportunity to learn. Use them to build your troubleshooting skills. 7. Quick checklist. Here's a quick checklist to guide your cloud engineering journey. Understand cloud service fundamentals. Complete a small project and document it. Experiment with configurations and monitor results. Engage with the community for support and knowledge. Pursue advanced learning and certifications. Share your knowledge with others. 8. Summary plus CTA. Copying tutorials might seem like a quick way to become a cloud engineer, but it's a trap. Real understanding is key to success. Focus on grasping the concepts, experimenting, and asking questions. Avoid the common pitfalls, and you'll build a strong foundation. If you found this helpful, drop a comment below with your thoughts or questions. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical guidance on your cloud journey. Bonus practical tip: if you're unsure what to pick, start with the simplest option that ships today. Then measure for 7 days, latency, errors, deploy time, and cost. Only upgrade when metrics force the decision, not fear.